ako sa sarili ko, why did you answer that? Hi guys! Isang malaking hi. So just to fully get the context of this video, yeah, I was the one who played the Throwback Showtime last Thursday. And then I really made a huge mistake of answering the first ever Filipina who happened to be Corazon Aquino, di ba? Then my answer was Gloria Macapagal. And nagulat ako sa sarili ko, why did you answer that? Yun, kaya bigla akong sabi ko, oh no, I have to like accept every criticism, every negative comment about me. Pero I took this video not for the negative comments. Yeah, he caught my attention. But nakakalungkot lang because we're still in the era of a making mistake, like a one mistake about it, and it will sum up of who you are. A lot of people know that once nandun ka sa gitna ng stage na yon and it's showtime, pressure ka talaga. And then you just have to answer 5 seconds. Diba? Sana, naisip ninyo na what if you're in that position? Yeah, that's a very basic answer, but dumadaloy sa'yo yung pressure. So, hindi ka makakasagot talaga.